Exporting to QuickBooks for accountants is super easy. Head to the top of the page and locate the QuickBooks button. Once we give this a click, what will populate is a list of all reports either needing action or available to export. So let's open up some of these here right away. I can see that Jane Doe has some issues. So I'm going to open this up and I can see, okay, some of these line items are not present. So I'm just going to say ignore all zero priced items because I know how this was created. This one's ready to roll. Let's take a look at Joe and Jane Smith. Again, I've got some line items that are zeroed out, but everything else seems to be okay. For right now, I'm just going to opt to zero these guys out, but I can now export to QuickBooks. I can get this all pushed over in one lump sum. Rather than going to each individual project and exporting individually, we can get a list of them here to make this much more quick. So I can just go export to QuickBooks, going to look for my customer. No customer was found. Perfect. So we're going to create the new customer. We're going to click next, verify that the address information is all correct, and then click Save Customer. We're going to apply a tax rate if applicable. So we're just going to click Next. And that's it. We're ready to go. We'll click the Export to QuickBooks button, and that's all there is to it. Now we're just going to do everything else that we have left in our list. So I'm going to repeat with Joe and Jane Smith. Export to QuickBooks. And it's going to go, hey, is this the one? Nope, this isn't the one. So I'm going to say create a new customer. We've got their address. That's great. We're going to save them in, and those taxes were applied to the report. So we're going to save that as well, if applicable. We're going to click Next to move forward, and then the green Export to QuickBooks button to finish.